Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can unhide pages in your presentations and projects on Canva. So let us get started. So head over to your project or presentation on Canva. So as you can see, I've been working on an example presentation like this. And here in the default view, you will see a list of all active or all featured pages or slides of your presentation, starting with page number 1 and then up to the last page of your presentation. So what you want to do, guys, let me, for instance, hide page or slide number 4 for the sake of this tutorial. You may do that by clicking on it with your right mouse and by selecting hide page. Now, as you can see, the slide or page will not be removed. You can still unhide it or customize or edit it here, but it won't appear in your slideshow. So if I, for example, head over to present or to preview here in the top right corner and watch, for example, the entire slideshow in the preview, the given page will be hidden. So as you can see, it's not 10 pages anymore, but only 9. So guys, that's how you hide these pages. So to unhide the given page, simply right click on it. You will see, for example, that eye icon here indicating that the given page has been hidden, and select unhide page. So that's basically it, guys. Now if I click again on preview or present here in the top right corner and start the slideshow, you will see that there is now 10 pages of slides. So the given page has been unhidden and added back again to the preview slideshow. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.